Determining whether to print a label in 203, 300, or 600 dpi print resolution is based on three interrelated factors: the required print clarity or readability, the required print speed, and the label format. How important is print clarity or readability for the application? While 300 and 600 dpi are clearer than 203 dpi, 203 dpi meets the needs of most applications. For example, these shipping labels were printed in 203, 300, and 600 dpi. As you can see, 203 dpi is acceptable for shipping labels. However, for an electronics product label, which features small fonts and symbols, 600 dpi is required to produce readable text and images, as well as scannable barcodes. How fast do the labels need to print? As dpi increases, the maximum print speed of a printer decreases. For example, the print speed of a 110 Xi4 printer varies based on dpi. A 203 dpi 110 Xi4 can print up to 14 IPS, inches per second. A 300 dpi 110 Xi4 can print up to 12 IPS. A 600 dpi 110 Xi4 can print up to 6 IPS. The size of the label and text, as well as the type of text and images, are very important to consider when choosing the best dpi for the application. If the label size is smaller than a ½ inch wide and 1 inch long, a 600 dpi printer is required to print the crisp and readable text, images, and barcodes, such as a circuit board label. Also, text, barcodes, graphics, and photos are very important to consider. Printing text and regulatory symbols with a font size 6 and under requires a 600 dpi printer so that the text is readable and the regulatory symbols are identifiable. 600 dpi is also required when printing Asian fonts less than 10 points. 2D barcodes smaller than 3/10 of an inch by 3/10 of an inch require a 600 dpi printer to ensure they are scannable. As you can see on these wristbands, the ability to recognize the person in the photo increases with dpi. Print clarity, print speed, and label format are interrelated. The higher the print speed, the lower the dpi. As a general rule of thumb, the smaller the text and images, the higher the dpi needed to read the text and images and scan the barcode. For more information, visit us at zebra.com.